welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into something that I think a lot of us find both beautiful and challenging: clouds. I'll diving into the study of painting clouds and focusing on capturing their depth, texture, and light. This video is all about exploring the techniques and detail that make clouds come to the life on canvas. So stay tuned as we break down the process step by step. Depending on the time of the day, the sun will have different color and position. During midday, the sunlight is mostly white, and because of the position of the sun is high up in the sky, the top of the cloud will be highlighted and the bottom will be shadowed. During this time, the sky will have gradient from darker blue at the top down to the lighter blue at the bottom. Whereas the cloud has opposite gradient, the more darker at the bottom and the white at the top. I'll show you how to do exactly this painting, so make sure to stay till end.